Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to disable new site search in Google Chrome. So I'm using currently the newer version of Google Chrome. In this Google Chrome, site search doesn't exist, or it can found the site search. But in your case, you are using older version of Google Chrome, then it will work for you. All you have to just go here and to the search bar and write Chrome /flags. Hit enter. Then you can see all of this here. You have to write here site search. It cannot found here because I'm using newer version of Google Chrome, but if you're using older version it will show here. Okay, when you find site search you have to click on this enable drop down option. If you want to disable it, click on disable. Okay, or if you want to enable it, click on enable. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.